Hello friends, today it is very well known to us that the genetic material is DNA. But in the beginning of 20th century, there was much controversy over the genetic material and many experiments were carried out for identification of the genetic material. In 20th century, the discovery of DNA as a genetic material was a milestone in biology. Let's see some of the experiments in the journey of identification of DNA as a genetic material. So friends, our first experiment is Griffith experiment. Lots of experiments were performed by a British physician Frederick Griffith in 1928 using the bacterium Diplococcus pneumoniae. This bacteria causes pneumonia in mammals. There are two types of strains of Diplococcus pneumoniae. First type is S type. S stands for smooth. It is capsulated and it is a virulent. That means it is a pathogenic and it can cause pneumonia in mammals. And second type is R type. R stands for rough. It is a non-capsulated and it is a avirulent. That means it is non-pathogenic and it cannot cause pneumonia. In first step of the experiment, when S type of bacteria, that means pathogenic bacteria, were injected in healthy mice, they developed pneumonia and died. And when R type of bacteria were injected into the healthy mice, they didn't develop pneumonia and they remain healthy because R type A is a non-pathogenic one. You can see this in the image. That means in first stage of the experiment, the mice that injected with the S type were killed and the mice which injected with the R type, they remains healthy. Okay friends, now in next step, Griffith inject mixture of heat killed S type and living R type of bacteria to healthy mice. Okay, so in this case, S type, that means pathogenic bacteria, are heat killed and R type, that means non-pathogenic bacteria, were live. He observed that the mice developed pneumonia and died, and when he examined the blood sample of dead mice and cultured a pathogen from their blood on the media, he observed S type of bacterial colonies. Okay, so but the question is how this happens, because S type of bacteria, that means pathogenic bacteria, were injected into the mice, were heat killed, that means they are dead. Then the question is how R type of bacteria, that means non-pathogenic bacteria, get converted into the S type of bacteria. Then Griffith concluded that there must be something that was transferred to R type of bacteria so that they get converted into the S type of bacteria. This phenomenon he called as transformation, and he named that something transferred as a transforming principle. It was later proved that this transforming material is DNA. So this experiment is the beginning of journey of identification of DNA as a genetic material. Griffith first showed that some information was passed to R type from heat killed S type of bacteria and R type gets converted into S type. But he didn't discover the exact biochemical nature of the genetic material, that is whether it is a DNA or RNA or protein or carbohydrate or lipid. The next successful attempt in the identification of genetic material was done by a group of scientists Avery, MacLeod and McCarty in 1944. These scientists purified DNA, RNA, proteins and carbohydrates from heat-killed S type of bacteria and separately each material mixed with live R type of bacteria in separate test tube to observe exactly mixing with which material causes conversion of R type, that means non-pathogenic bacteria, into S type. They observed that the only those mixed with DNA of S type were transformed into S type of bacteria. As you can see in the diagram, the transformation occurred only in the test tube in which S type of bacterial DNA was mixed with R type of bacteria. This primarily confirms DNA as a genetic material. In next step, they mix DNA of S type of bacteria with the enzyme deoxyribonuclease. This enzyme destroys the DNA. Okay, so DNA of S type of bacteria was digested and destroyed. This digested DNA of S type failed to transform R type, that means non-pathogenic, into S type. These experiments were done in test tube. Okay friends, so these two experiments, that means Griffith and Avery, MacLeod and McCarthy experiment, primarily prove that DNA is a genetic material. But till there was controversy over the genetic material in biologists. So finally, Hershey and Martha Chase experiment proved that DNA is a genetic material using bacteriophages, and this we will see in our next video. Thank you for watching.